Are you recording it? Tell me when you're ready.
We are rolling, Clark.
Okay. Hey everyone, it's me, Clark, and as you know, every year we go someplace really cool for a really cool vacation. Then I post a video so you can see the cool place we went. But this year, we didn't have to go anywhere because the coolest place is right here, all thanks to our new Goodman air conditioner. Check out this. I can get it. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that modern home comfort marvel. Doesn't get any cooler than this, baby. Everybody should have one. And it's energy efficient, could lower our utility bills. And it comes with a 10-year unit replacement limited warranty. So why would we go anywhere else when it's really cool right here? We're staying put, baby. Right here at Club Clark.
The folks at Goodman understand that buying an air conditioner might not sound fun, but it can be really cool after you own one.
That's a wrap.
Maybe you should have one too.
You want me to do it again?
Nope.
I can give you a little more feeling.
Thank goodness for Goodman.